Now we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Here we can take the angle. First we can take the trigonometric functions and with the specific angles. These are functions. It is the angle theta. Trigonometric functions. Here sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta, sec theta. In this, we can take the angles 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. How to find out the trigonometric function values? Here, the angles can be discussing in the right angle triangle. That is, right angle triangle we can take, this is 90 degrees. Suppose we can take A, B, C is the right angle triangle. In this, one angle is 90 degrees. We can take the isosceles triangle and right angle triangle. Isosceles triangle means if one angle is 90 degrees, another one is 45 degrees and 45. It is isosceles right angle triangle. In this, here suppose the two sides are equal. When the two angles are equal, then these two sides are equal. Let it be A and A. This opposite square plus adjacent square, A square plus A square, it is equal to A root 2 or root 2A. From this, for 45 degrees, sine 45 is opposite by hypotenuse. A by A root 2. Then A cancel. This is 1 by root 2. Adjacent by hypotenuse. A by A root 2. It is also 1 by root 2. Tan theta means sine by cos. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. This is 1. Cot theta is cos theta by sine theta. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. It is also 1. Cosec theta is 1 by sine theta. So it is root 2. Sec theta is 1. That is also 1 by cos theta. That is the value of 1 by root 2. It will become root 2. So this is the cos 45 values. This 45 degrees angle can be taken in the isosceles right angle triangle. Next we can take 0 degrees. When it is 0 degrees, if this is a AB line, this is C, the hypotenuse line is falls on the B line. In this case, AB is equal to AC. Suppose this is equal to A, then AC is also A. Then BC becomes 0. Why? Because when it is theta angle is coincide with the AB line, then it makes the 0 degrees. So BC line is becomes 0. The length of the BC line is 0. The AB length and AC length both are coincide. So the length will take A. In this, opposite means BC, adjacent means AB, hypotenuse is AC. Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse, 0 by something 0. Then cos 0 degrees is adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent is A, hypotenuse is A. A by A is 1. Tan theta is sine by cos. 0 by 1 is 0. Cot theta is 1 by 0. It is undefined, infinity. That is undefined. Cosec theta means 1 by sine theta. It is also undefined. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta, that is equal to 1. This is the way. And in the same way, for 90 degrees means this AC is comes to the vertical line. Then in this case, AC becomes BC and AB becomes 0. So here adjacent is 0. Then opposite and hypotenuse both are equal, let it be A. For this, sine 90 degrees. If it is 90 degrees means the angle becomes, this theta becomes 90 degrees means it comes up and it goes down. Okay. So here the AC BC opposite by AC is A by A, it is 1. Cos sine 90 is 1. Cos 0, cos 90 is 0. Why? Because here AB adjacent side is 0. Tan theta is 1 by 0, it's undefined. So it goes to infinity. 1 by 0 is infinity. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. 0 by something is 0. Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. 1 by 1 is 1. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. 1 by 0 is, it is also undefined or infinity. Next we can take the another right angle isosceles right angle triangle. The isosceles right angle triangle, further we can take right angle, it is 90 degrees. The other angle is 30 degrees. This is suppose 60 degrees. The same angle we can take this side, then it is 90 degrees. This is 60 degrees. It is 30 degrees. Just observe, we can figure. It's a 60 degrees. It is 60. It is 60. This is nothing but equilateral triangle. Suppose we can take A, C, B, D. We are taking like this. Here, the sides of right angle triangle, the hypotenuse, we are taking 2A and 2A. Then CD is the perpendicular to the AB line. This is the midpoint. So, midpoint means this length is also 2A, then it divides A and A. Now we can find out the opposite side of the two right angles. CD is the opposite side. Then it is equal to under root of 2A whole square is 4A square minus adjacent square is A square. It is root 3A square. This is A root 3. Now we can take the CD is A root 3. AD is adjacent, AC is hypotenuse. Now we can take sine 60. Sine 60 means opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is, in this opposite is root 3A. Root 3A by 2A. AA cancel. This is root 3 by 2. Next, adjacent by hypotenuse. A by 2A. AA cancel. It is 1 by 2. Tan theta is sine by cos. 2 cancel. It is root 3. Cot theta is cos by sine. That is 1 by root 3. Cosec theta is 1 by sine theta. That is 2 by root 3. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta. It is 2. In the same way, we can take the same angle. It is 30. For this 30 degrees, this is the opposite. It is the hypotenuse. It is adjacent. In this, for sine 30, opposite is A. Hypotenuse is 2A. A by 2A is 1 by 2. So, this is 1 by 2. And cos theta is adjacent is root 3 by root 3A by 2A. AA cancel, it is root 3 by 2. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, it is 1 by root 3. Cot theta is root 3, 2 cancel, it's root 3. Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta, it is 2. Sec theta is cos theta, that is 2 by root 3. This table we can get by using of the isosceles right angle triangle and equilateral triangle and also right angle triangle. Okay, here just we can observe, this is the how to find the angles by using of the right angle triangle, but I am giving clue for you how to remember these values. Okay, here you can take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 you can take as 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, and each and every number is divided with 2, divided with 4 and taking the under root. 0 by something is 0, root 1 is 1, 1 by 2, it's 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 by root 2, root 4 is 2, root 3 by 2, 4 ones are 4 ones are, it's root 1 is 1. Next reverse of sine theta, 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. If we know these values, that is nothing but sine 0 is equal to cos 90, sine 30 equal to cos 60, sine 60 is equal to cos 30, and sine 45, cos 45, both are equal. If you remember these two horizontal values, then you can easy to write these values also. Why? Because divide sine by cos, you are getting the remaining values. And again, tan and cos, one to another inverse, it's undefined, undefined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. It's only denominators we can take. 1 by 0 is infinity, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. Sec theta is reverse of that is the reciprocal of the cos theta. It's 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, and 1 by 0 is infinity. You have to remember this table for trigonometric functions with right angles. It's very, very important for higher standard also, that is +2, +1, and higher education also. It's very, very important.